bulldog. And these two are carbonara. Wait, again. Ulit. Can you say your name again? She's carbonara. Okay, she said her name. And the other one is carbonara. I don't know how to say her name. And this is a blooper moment. And this is the bulldog squad. Oh my god. Wait, I jumped here first try. Oh, yeah, I did it. I did it again. Ability. Technology. Just like that. Okay. I got jump scared by a girl. Who the heck is murder? Wait, it's the dog sky. Oh, damn. You know the scream. Oh, my sword has gone away. It has gone away. Aray mo. He's behind the laptop. He's so silly. And this guy is out of the map. Wow, a hacker. Oh, there's money. I knew it. He's coming back. Why is he so skinny? A hacker and the teamer at the same time. Yeah. Yaku, can we just normalize for putting your butt in there? Yo, Yaku, you might fart. Look at this. Oh, my keyboard. The best duo. The cheesy spicy duo. Spicy duo. Bro doesn't know I'm a photographer. Yeah, I'm showing. Why am I in the conversation? Bro, he won. And he won. Okay, so what we're gonna do is give her a nice compliment. We're gonna give her a nice compliment. Yo, do not type that. Yes, it is. It's a nice compliment. Yeah, someone was trying to say. No. Someone was trying to say. I'm gonna censor that. Hear what? I didn't hear what Carbonara said. Whoever's married, I'm scared. Who that? I got killed immediately by the Kyle girl. Kyle. Dennis. And this is not for kids because no, it's not. It's okay. I totally have no anger issues. So, I'm the editor. Nahihirapan na nga ako mag-freaking mag-censor. Hayaan mo na nga. Huwag mo naman yan. What do you use? Oh, you want a mini avatar? No, we ain't doing that. Oh, what's it? Oh. One. Okay, so what we're gonna do is only mini avatar. Mini avatar, please. Let's change our avatar now. Oh, dang it, I forgot. Wala kalpits. Wala pa kalpits. Look at you guys with a Sigma face. Look at you guys with a Sigma face. Wait, wala pa nga yung Basta. Yeah, this first. Oh, don't worry. Ah, my feet. Oh, thank you. Go! Go to Epic and put go. And then put 20, 29, 29. May otsa. Ego. Dang it. Cherry. Good thing to do the gun. If I die. Let's go to the upstairs. Ayun nga ba tayo mo? Mas mali sa amin. Mas mali sa amin. Ano yung number? Ego 29, 29. 229. Ako na naman tayo. Lucky natin. Sino yung merd? Pag namatay ako. Ikaw pa nga nakikita merd eh. Sino ba yung merd? Ano ka? Pag namatay na ako. Sige, babarilin kita para mamatay tayo dalawa. No. Go, patay mo siya. Putik si. Ba't mo kasi ayaw bigay sa akin gun? The point of the game. She's jealous. And she made me die. Okay, well. I did not make you die. You were just... You grabbed the phone! Oh, this is the biggest not made for this anymore, bro. This is all swearing. Kapalitin ko na. Double 29! Putik na yan, sinabi ko na! Search niya ito kaya, tumingin siya. May otsa, mga ego. Stop a minute. So crying, kids are crying. Stop a minute, girl, I wish I could get bird. Kill everybody. So this is not made for kids anymore because we've been swearing, bro. Wow. That's right. Okay, anyways, get out of my way, Patty. We might start playing though, hold on. What fandom you like, guys? Summer, say your favorite fandom. No, where's Carbonara? Carbonara? She's searching up something. Ang code. She's searching ata. Pero nawala lang yung white thing. By the way, guys, we're Filipino and Carbonara is Bisaya. Where's the one? It's just lagging. My ultra, my ego. Mini avatar time! Ay ko pa ako. I mean, mini. Mini avatar time! Mini avatar! My ultra, my ego. If her outfit changed. What is happening? Did the Wi-Fi go off? Why is it lagging? Wait, what did you get? I don't know. You better check. And I got innocent. Summer, I accidentally put on. The Kyle looking that girl is the sheriff. Don't kill her. She's in the freaking theater. Kyle looking nice in theater. Yeah, this is not made for kids. I'm gonna get that. Oh, and I moved back up. I think she's gonna type a bad word in chat. Edit this out. Oh, she does swear. Hello, Carbonara. Are you there? Hello? Anybody there? I want to tell you guys a secret later in the video. Mini avatar tayo. I get innocent. Why is my look so bad? I just wanna get mad. Where is Carbonara? I wonder where's Carbonara. I'm the only one with the big avatar. I mean, a normal avatar. My ego. What the heck is the murder? Why do I hear music? Was it from you? No? Yes, from you. Oh no, it's not from you. You never heard that song. And I won! Is that actually mine? Why do I hear songs from my phone? Let me test my loadout. Give me the gun. zero. We're gonna end this with me dying. I'm not gonna end this video yet. I'm not done. No, I'm the owner of the freaking YouTube channel. Yes. I'm gonna end this. Because it's 7 minutes lang. No, you have also. You know right? What? Di ba ano nga? Di ba naka-ano ka? Pwede 15 minutes to 7 minutes pa lang. 7 minutes? 17 ka mo. Oh, 17 pa lang. 15? Kanina yung 15. Tatama lang na. Oh my god. Basta hindi ka marunong ano. What did you say? Ang sabi mo na, Tiesha? Hindi ko marunong. Yeah, kasi di ako marunong. And we're gonna end this photo on people, bro. I'm literally holding Spicy Bulldog's phone right now. My ego. In the end we started arguing. Eyes closed in the things. More than 15 minutes, diba? No. In the end we started arguing, bro. More. Yeah. I know I got blessed with nerd. Wala na ako! I will kill you, Carbonara. Gusto niyo malaman yung password? No. Huh? Whoever I pick to die is going to die. I don't understand what I just said. And the camera looks ugly. What? I'm telling the truth. It's ugly. It's ugly. It's literally ugly. It's ugly. It's ugly. Pwede wala ka. Hindi pa ako nandun sa Wait, did I get shot? Huh? I'm lagging. What's this mini, by the way? Oh, Scarlet. Okay. Are we gonna end this? Because it's 20 minutes long. Mamaya, mga 1 hour to eh. Cause now, I'm sitting with this game and no one's gonna... Yeah. If you're ready, then leave. And I equipped the mini avatar now. Yo. J. I said G. G. Sheriff. What? Whoa. Carbonara. That's crazy. Who wants the gun, by the way? Carbonara, do you want the gun? What the heck is the word? Mini ba si Mini to? Yo. Someone get the gun for me. Summer, you're in the way. Gusto mo mabariling kita? Mabariling kita, Sam. Sige. Whatever. Oh, what's the matter again? Forgot. Ano yung Mini? You're a die. Yung blue, yung merd. Ang dako yan, ang shot ko na yan, yung babae na yan. Oh, gusto mo yung gun? Baka niya. Ito, baka patayin ako. Wait, hindi. Tinacho si shooter? Iyo! Ito eh. And I won. Victory! Ano kaya mangyayari pag nireport ka ng tao? Banned or what, you know? Tingnan nga natin, try ko sa amin. I mean, pwede naman tayo maglaro ng MMV, diba? Kaysa to try ko sa'yo. Yeah! Kaya si Summer, pusa pa din. Pusa pa rin si Summer, boo! Pusa pa rin si Summer, boo! Pusa pa rin si Summer. Bala ko maliit na siya. Cut pa rin siya, innocent to. Try ko, set the stage. Tago tayo! Tago tayo! Tago tayo! Tago-taguan, maniwala sa buwan. Wala sa likod. Wala sa harap. Ang nangyari sa'yo? Wala. Wala pa. Wala nangyari. Sheriff ka? Tatago ako. Ikaw, merd. Innocent ako. Murder si Yasha! Oh, no. Si Yasha yung merd! Oh, huwag mo patayin, please! Hindi talaga. I'm a sacrifice! Joke lang! I'm a sacrifice! I'm a sacrifice! Sino? Sino? Sino, merd? Please, Yasha, don't kill me! Okay. Okay. Huwag mo ako galawin dito sa behind the tracks na to. I don't know what I'm doing. Just doing applause. I'm flossing. Taba ni Summer, pinatigil ako eh. She's so fat that patigil tuloy yung sayaw ko. Yes, time's up! Victory para sa mga inosente! Can I get on this guys? My also. My also, my ego. Inanong po yun yun? Well, ano oras papatayin to? Mga 5. Mga 5:40, mga 5:30. Or mga 5:20. 5:20, sige. Innocent to. Diba? Nag-away sila. Wait daw si Yesha, maniwala ka daw. Maniwala ka daw piano, actually. Kung tinanong sabi ng... The two crashing out. Natigil mo yung head spot ko, nasa pink room ako. Okay, nasa pink room ako. Okay. Okay. Sama, tignan mo kasi na Merg. Baka si Yesha nga. Labas din ako. Oh, si Yesha! Tago ka, Sam! Sige. Kinuha ni Sama yung gun. Natago nga ako eh. Eh, di na pati di Sama yung ano, yung si Yesha. Tama yung innocent kasi nagpadanan niya. Sino? Asa si Yesha? Hindi ka marunong. I know. Pupunta siya sa gitna. Ay, hindi, kinakap niya. Sabi mo sa akin. Hindi niya alam na. Alam namin, sino yung Merg? Sinabi mo na nga, diba? Shaya, comfort kasi. Wait lang. Daya to, comfort kasi eh. Huwag mo answer yung calls. Huwag mo answer yung call. Don't answer the call! Papatayin ko nga cellphone mo! So then, we're muting them because they're so loud. Wow, actually it's silence. Wow. Who would you ship though? Like, what random? Who would you actually ship? What random? Yeah, I know what you're talking about. We haven't watched that. If you make me Chico? Derek, wait, ano yung kanina niya sabi ni Aspen? Stop! Stop! I don't wanna lose you, so I'll shoot you. Stop. You're sheriff, right? So protect the world. I can't even go on a teleport because I'm so small. Sana din jump in the teleporter. The teleporter won't work. Wait, I know who's the murderer. Who? What do you mean purple guy? Oh, with the purple knife and gun? That's what you meant? It's easy, bro. We both have different music types. Wait, did you know that no. Austin said, Steve, I don't want to lose you, so I gotta shot you. The Steve and Austin we're talking about is the checkpoint YouTubers on, YouTube. It's called, and one time we were watching it, Austin said, Steve, I don't want to lose you, so I gotta shoot you. I'm innocent. Wow. Say no, yara. And I died because of the heart. Last girl, I don't know, oh boy. Whose song was that? Whose song was that? What the fuck? Say no, yara. I wonder if Yesha, Carbonara and Carbonara's still alive. And then the girl playing some random music. And then I don't know if Carbonara's here because I think she's dead. Wait, no, maybe she's dead. Bro, I know where the music coming from. The girl with black and red radio. That's almost so annoying. How about let's play hide and seek in the freaking sponge. Okay. Just it. Oh, yes, smell. Pagkatapos na ito, maglangak, kinilig ulit niya ako ni Summer. Pag tinitiko na ako ni Summer ulit, sige. And look at, tama siguro yung ginagawa niya ako.